Family, it's dishing time. Yeah. See there? Yeah. On today's episode of the Jamaican cooking journey, I'll be sharing with you another soup video. Very familiar one, but me just kind of upgrade it, do a little different, a little twist here and there to it. Good old Jamaican full foot soup, chicken foot soup if you please. Yeah, but you don't know me a Jamaican, you know for me sitting already. Chicken foot soup. So this here is maybe about £1.50. I bought it in the supermarket. So I 2 little pack. You don't want them for fatter still, but you know by the time this done I just spare bone. But that's how it goes. Chicken foot soup is loved all over. Yeah, I'm still onto soups. So let me pause here to say special thanks to my patrons that are on my page supporting me. If you'd like to be a part of my Patreon family, in the description of this and all my other videos, you will see the link there. Thank you. Now, got my things here for make my soup mix. Got a little piece of pumpkin. I'm not so pleased with the pumpkin. Dad got it. I didn't get it. Got me here some corn. I have the Maggi soup mix. I'm trying to start eliminating and getting something to give me a good flavor. This gives a nice flavor because it has MSG in there. So I'm trying to get something. But this is the original thing that people use to flavor soup. But I personally, I'm trying to, because it's not like my stomach on it. It's not okay. But I'm going to try to find, I can find something to make some mix. Carrot. I like turnip in my soup. We got one little mangy scotch bonnet might have to use too. We got a little piece of yellow yam. I am putting a ripe plantain in my chicken foot soup. Ripe plantain in a full foot soup. Yes, I am. And I'm going to be making some whole wheat pinners and dumpling. So look here. I want to know for me thing, you know, originality. That must say. Yeah. So I've got here with my chicken foot a little salt and some black pepper. You could make a little mix. You don't have to really do like what I do, but I'm gonna start here by browning up this chicken foot in my pressure pot. Right on over here, my pressure pot was being heated, and you got hear a sizzler right now. Has to be on high because I want these chicken foot to be properly browned up. Yeah, so we're gonna leave them with the pot open, high heat that it's gonna be. And I'm going to be coming back a few times to turn them around until I get that desired color with that brown color and a little fondue in the bottom of my pot. I'm going to go off camera now and I'm going to be preparing this soup mix. Okay, next clip. I'll put them. You see, and we may have the chicken foot half brown up. I'm not going to brown them no further. I want you to get all of them like this, but boy, I'm not going to lie, they ain't really mean to. So I've got that fondue there right now in the bottom, and that's what I'm looking for. Right here I've got my pumpkin, walkless pumpkin, some turnips, carrots, and that I have in here. So yeah. Okay. Don't forget a big pig and a good body garlic. Yeah. So you want to put that right in there right now. I am almost at my maximum level on my pressure pot. I'm going to be putting in my corns. Maybe not all, because I'm not sure if I can my pot can hold all of this and I don't want to. But I'll try. Max on the pressure cooker, yeah. Yeah, I did have a little salt. Yeah, let me try and get them down in there. I'm at the maximum level. Hot water, you know, so we say that because we don't run around kitchen, we run kitchen. We can throw it anywhere right here, so right now. And all of that. Yeah, so we are throwing until we see the water come. I'm just going to throw all of this. I don't think I'll throw anymore because it's like, I don't want it getting up too much there. This is enough. Maybe I'll put a little more. And when you see me next, all these will be semi-pressured, because I do it like this because I don't have enough time to be boiling. So I'm showing you this. You come home from work, you can make your soup mix ahead of time, as I've showed you in other videos, also on lives. You're going to get a little pressure. From a start pressure, you don't want more than 15 minutes. Because you see fall foot them. You see how them favor for me? Next clip. Okay, now family. So first let me show you the little dry foot chicken foot them. I had to take them out because if I not take them out now, them not going to be able to take much more cooking. They're so meager. But anyway, I have a little fun leaving at the pot. I'm going to throw a little hot water in here. I want to get out all of it. Let's look at the soup now. So everything break down. So I removed it from my pressure pot. So the pumpkin is here, telling us I want to work this pumpkin, not the cutest of pumpkin. My turnip is there, my carrots are there. So the pumpkin I forgot cook now, stir out. And you know it's going to make that body there. But at the end of it, this is how it looks. So look here. Work this pumpkin, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So this is what I have. I have a lot of corn in there. Yeah. But see, we are like about halfway in this pot. This is a 7, almost an 8 quart pot. So we are going to be putting in right now some whole wheat dumplings. This is my whole wheat dumpling dough, and I don't know if I've ever done a whole wheat dumpling. I'm not sure. I don't know. But I put in some peanuts, kind of fat peanuts and stuff. So how you do it now? You get your whole wheat flour, and I use a little all-purpose flour with it. So I'm putting in those now because right now I want them to start cook. And at a point, not the prettiest of pumpkin, but I'm gonna vamp it up with a little turmeric. So if you're cooking and for whatever the reason, because sometimes if you, and you can attest to that, you get some pumpkin and they look nice, but when you come and start dealing with them just not have that, you know, that rich color that you want. It just don't have it. All right, so this is what we're doing. Soup looking good though, and all of that. You got a little coconut milk, so I'm gonna finish putting in these spinners. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this, and maybe I put a few little round ones. Yeah, so when I'm at the next clip where I'll be adding some yam, okay, I'll be putting in some yam. I'll come right back to you. So this is a total different pot of soup from the previous pot family. So I have here lots and lots of chopped scallion mainly, and a little bit of green celery, fresh celery, so to speak. Yeah, I have my little green pepper. I'm gonna put it right in here. So yeah, I got me here some coconut milk. Yeah, you know what I go on with dim the color of the soup, but we're not watching no face. So yeah, this is pretty. I also have here some turmeric, and I am gonna put a little bit of this turmeric in there, just a lot, just a little, not a lot, because you know what, just to bring up the, cause the pumpkin did kind of worthless. You don't want to put a lot. Look here, you don't want the soup to get bitter, because I get bitter, because the turmeric strong. So let us dissolve that turmeric in there to see what will happen. Yeah, not make much of a difference, but it's not properly dissolved though. So make sure say we get it in there. Don't want to forget about our okras, of course. No sir, can't forget about them. And look here, last but not least, these are my ripe plantains. I'm putting in them right there. Got me a little fun right here. Yeah, I'm gonna go out of my pressure cooker. Yeah, my flavor, I'm gonna left it in there right now. Okay, I'm gonna let it come to a boil, start bringing everything together, and all of that, and then I'm gonna taste for my salt perfection. I'm gonna add you see the turmeric, it's take time coming out, it's not fully out as yet, so I'm gonna continue stirring. Coconut milk is there, yeah, and I'm gonna let it cook until it starts coming to get some body. I'm gonna put a few more pegs of garlic, also a little piece of ginger in case the coconut milk just want go on bad. And then when you see me next, I'll just come right back. These chicken foot are cooked, so we just want to make it come and put them in there. Catch them did some grish and look, you know, dry foot chicken. Wow, my teamwork is still not dissolved. So we're gonna let it cook. When it's cooked, when it starts cooking and coming down, I return and show you what I'll do. This is a different pot, a soup, different farmer chicken foot soup. You cook it anywhere. Yeah, vamp it up, cook it a different way, show you what you can do. Put in some whole wheat dumpling, load the whole heap of raw flour dumpling. Yeah, so next clip. So it's coming now to come, fam. You see that coconut milk cream at the top? Yeah, this is for the people who love the whole heap of soup. Some people love whole heap of soup, you know. So right here, I'm food, like whole heap of food in a soup. So it's the time now for me to stir continuously, stir. And I'm going to be adding my chicken foot at this point because it has come down a little. Yeah, you see how them look? Real mangy. But we still, they're filled with flavors right there with that brown up something there. So this is what is happening. My pot is really full though. I thought this pot had more capacity, but you know, it is what it is. So you see what is happening there? I'm gonna be stirring, but I'm be stirring real careful. I mean, also some man not gonna come at me say who this, that, the other, you know, but look here. And not my fault. I thought the pot could hold a lot more, but this pot here is a little workless pot. Yeah. So let us cook until we have some. And you see that we added this little you see that cream from the coconut milk on the top. I've added all my little aromatics, my extra garlic. I've added ginger. I've added some pimento seeds to them. I grind up them teeth there and them in there. You don't have to worry. The plantain is coming. I use the right plantain to substitute my sweet potato, you know, because I'm not a lover of Irish potato in my soup for no reason. I just have no real and a special reason, but I'm not a lover of it. So we're gonna make these okras cook, and I'm gonna come along maybe 2 or 3 times for another 15 minutes, stir and let the body of the soup come right in. So when that time has elapsed, I'll come right back and I'm gonna dish you up some. And this is for the soup people and the whole heap of bag of food I grind up in and eat. Next clip. Alright now fam, see it a come there? It's coming now. It's taking on the body. You see that? Pot of full food soup, whole heap of food, corn, and I think yellow yam. Oh, look at maga dry full food. Them they are all them one. Yeah. And I did cut them, you know, I did crack them. They're just fine. Yeah. Them all up, man. Them not tree bad. Them just want some meat on them. Yeah, look at this. So tell me what you know about this. Tell me if you like this. Tell me your preference. If it is this or the one before this. Look here. Next people don't see me. Dish me a dish out some of this, you know. For all of the people who love the bag of food. Look here. This is pretty. This is pretty. That what's your choice. Pick your choice. These are the coconut soup. Talk to me. All two of them? No, you must have a choice. No, that one is pretty. Bag of food and it look here. Next clip, you know. Family, it's dishing time. Yeah. See there? Yeah. It is dishing time. So look here. Everybody are come up, you know. Fall foot. They must step up. Fall dry up, you know. Them fall steppers here. You get some fatter. Just look. Show them dad. Corn, whole wheat dumpling gone in there. Then make sure so them get a piece of the right plantain. Yeah. Some more fall foot. Yeah. Yeah. I saw the things here, you know. Right. This is yellow yam. Yeah. Some more whole wheat dumpling. And look here. I don't have to go on away, you know, because look here. Soup and more fall foot there. More fall foot there. More soup there. Talk to me. Talk to me. Now, let me tell you. A lot of people think that you have got to have meat to flavor your soup. You don't have to. So I'm going to do for you one that but you have got to flavor up your pot before. I'm going to do for you a pumpkin and vegetable soup without meat. It's good. It can be so good. I hope you did enjoy this video. in the comment section. I'm asking you, tell me, this are the prior one, which is the cow card. For me, Managi on my cow card. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. Remember to make sure that your post notification is turned on. Remember to make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. And check in the description for all that you'd like to get on to me. Thanks for watching. Show them again, Dad. Now give them a chance, you know, make sure them get it good. Show them, Dad. Make sure if them like the pot of food, because this is the one with the hell of amount of food. Cook food and full food.